This is a tutorial on how to install 12 volts LED strip in a drawing cabinet. What you need: 12 volt LED strip, 12 volt power supply, 2 wires, soldering iron, wire stripping tool, wire cutter, solder wire, solder paste, a knife, a screwdriver and a solder mat. This LED strip needs 4.8 watts per meter. I have 2.5 meters of LED strip, so this 20 watts power supply will do it. If you need, you can cut your LED strip to desired length where the scissors icon is labeled. Cut off the protective gel at the end of the strip so that you can get to the connections. Now strip the 2 wires at the ends. It's time to solder. Sink the ends in the solder paste and apply some solder wire to both wires. Apply some solder wire to the LED strip connections. Now solder on the wires, red wire to plus and the black one to minus connection. It should look something like this. Apply some electrical tape for extra protection. Grab the power supply and connect 2 wires to it, red to 12 volt plus and black to 12 volts minus. This is the cabinet where I will install the LED strip. This is the cabinet where I will install the LED strip. I already have 220 volts wired to the cabinet from the wall switch. Of course, I turned it off. I'm driving the LED strip through the hole that I drilled before. It's time to connect the live wire to L and the neutral wire to N connection on the power supply. After that, I secure the power supply to the wall with 2 screws. This LED strip has a 3M adhesive on the bottom, but as you can see, it does not stick well to the wood. So tomorrow I have to go to the hardware store to buy something to screw it in. This is just temporary. This is the finished solution. Please like and subscribe.